Hello historians, you are about to start your unit on American history. We are going to go back thousands of years and learn about nomadic people. The purpose of this video is to show you how to navigate your way through week 1. Here we go. So you've already gone to social studies, and we are now going to be in unit 2, ancient civilizations. We're going to start with week 1. Once you are in week 1, you're going to start with 1. See how it says 1 right here? And you will click. Each time that you get to a new page, please start at the top and read all of the words. Yes, please read all of the words. You are going to be most successful if you read the words. Do you think reading is important? Absolutely. Once you have completed the work on the page, you click the next button. What do you have to do? Read the words. So you will read the words. Looks like this one's going to have a video for you. And then you'll see how it says, click next to continue week 1 work. Then you will click next. Guess what? You have to read. Read, 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 read. Do what it says to do, please. This one is going to take you to another site. Anytime in Schoology when you've gone to another site, the way to get back to Schoology is this tab right up here. And then you can click next. Read, do what it asks you to do, click next. You won't be going this fast. You won't be going this fast because you're going to be reading and thinking. I'm going fast just to show you what it looks like. And then eventually, you will be finished with week 1 work, put away your Chromebook, and your journal. So that is how you are going to work your way through week 1. If you have any questions, check in with your teacher.